boss, call me Brett Favre. I'm making plays out the ass, call me Brett Favre. Man, I'm packing with this green, call me Brett Favre. Call me Brett Favre, call me Brett Favre. Hey, 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 call me Brett Favre. I'm calling shots like a boss, call me Brett Favre.
Okay, so before we get to the install, just gonna do a quick unboxing. So this is how the package comes. I did order a cable adjuster, which is recommended. I don't know if I'm gonna use that or not yet, so I just ordered it just in case. And it does come with the Allen wrenches that you will need. So you got a washer and one screw, and you got the cable holder right there, and then you got the throttle itself. It does come with an instruction manual. And I did order the Pro Edition. Comes with the lifetime warranty. And this part is adjustable also. Just pull it down and twist it. So it does come with a instruction manual. A lot of parts don't come with manuals. They just expect you to know how to install parts. So that's pretty much it. And a total price, if you wanna, I guess, upgrade your throttle, or you thinking about buying one of these, I did get it on sale on Black Friday. It was $246, but I think the regular price for the Pro Edition is like $300. So I was able to save a little bit. So enough talking, on to the install. Okay, as y'all can see, I got the throttle on, I got the cable in, but as y'all can see, the cable is kind of long and it needs to be adjusted. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. A lot of videos say that you need to adjust the throttle cable, but they never show you how to do it. So what you need to do, you gonna come, okay, first you gonna loosen this bolt up, and then in order to tighten your throttle cable up, you gonna turn it, and that's how you tighten your throttle cable up. A lot of videos say that you need to tighten it, but they never show you how to tighten it. So that's how you do it. Loosen that bolt, and in order to either loosen it or tighten it, you just turn it like that. And once you're done, you just tighten that bolt back up. So that's how you adjust the throttle cable. Okay, first impressions. If you're not a MX racer or you don't ride super aggressive trails, I would say stick with the OEM throttle. It's really no need to go out and spend $200-300 on this throttle, which the main selling point is it reduces thumb fatigue. I never experienced thumb fatigue with the OEM throttle, nor have I experienced thumb fatigue while riding, any ATV or four-wheeler. So then again, you have to think a lot of these, YouTubers, some of them are sponsored by these companies, so they get these products for free and they're advertising, for that sponsor. So if there's no need for you to go out and, get a lot of these products, then don't. But this is just my, first impression. So I'm gonna give it a few more tries to see if I like it a little better. But like I said, it's really not made. I don't think it's made for the just casual rider like myself. So just stay tuned. If this video helped, just like it and share it. Thanks for watching.